God, seems like 1,000 years ago. I fought my way out of that cave. Became Iron Man. Realized I loved you. I know I said no more surprises, but I was really hoping to pull off one last one.
The world has changed. None of us can go back. All we can do is our best. And sometimes the best that we can do is to start over.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shevon, and today we're going to take a look at the Philips Hue play bars. And big thanks to Philips Hue for sending these out. I wasn't paid to make this video or anything. They just asked if I wanted to make a video on their new product, and I said yes, of course, because I'm a huge fan of these Hue play bars. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. A new addition to the growing Philips Hue lighting system is these new Hue play bars, which can add ambient lighting to any room and can sync with what's displayed on your monitor or TV at around $130 for a pack of 2 light bars. The price isn't low, but for the power and flexibility of the lights, it's worth it in my opinion. Like most other Hue lights, the play bars are LED based, dimmable bulbs in the form of a bar that can produce in the neighborhood of 16 million colors. Those Hue colors can be selected using the Hue app on your phone or by matching the lights to an image. The Hue Sync app is a hands-off approach, though, that allows the bars to match whatever's on your screen. Now, these 9-inch play bars can be laid flat, stood upright, or affixed on the back of your monitor, and it will splash all the colors onto your wall that they're facing. Now, right out the gate, it's worth saying that the Hue Play is only going to be for some people. The Hue Play works with the Hue Sync app, the company's entertainment app that syncs your Hue lights with what's happening on the screen. Now, because of this, Play is great for PC gamers who can have the play lights transition into a tandem with the action. But what about like movies and TV? This is where things get more complicated because the Hue Sync app is still PC and Mac only, meaning you can't directly hook up your Hue lights to your smart TV or game console. It will work with mirroring services such as like Chromecast, AirPlay, but otherwise you're going to need either to connect your laptop to the big screen via HDMI cable or download one of the handful of apps available for iOS and Android that uses your smartphone camera to watch what's happening on the TV screen and relay that to sync in real time. The setup process was pretty simple in my opinion. So in this bundle you'd have 2 lights with attached cables, 2 stands, an outlet, and a few screws. There's a multi-plug that allows you to power up to 3 Hue devices. While convenient in some situations, it's a pain in others. If you wanted to, for example, purchase the 2-pack and use the bars in 2 different areas, you'd have to buy another outlet. In most cases, you buy separate packs of Playlight bars for different areas, but it's something to consider. Now, once poured on, the bulbs will show a bright white light. The built-in diffuser on the front does a lot of work. About an inch away from the wall, the bars manage to spread light evenly with a smooth gradient from the center outwards. This is a mood lighting at its finest in my opinion. Note that if you're using a lot of Hue products, you can also add the play bars to an existing room, which I did in my setup. Now, if you've used any Hue products before, this is a standard procedure. However, after that, the setup deviates and you'll have to download the Hue Sync app on your Windows, Mac, or PC. Now, you'd ask to create an entertainment area, which will establish how the lights will sync with the content of your screen. Now, this app will show like a diagram of where you want your setup to be. So if you have your Philips Hue bars over here on the right, if you have one on the right and one on the left, you'd want to use the app on the desktop to show, hey, I want to set this up right here, I want to set this up right there. So when you're playing games, the colors will splash off to the side. So if you have green on this side, you're running in grass, you'll see the green on the right side, stuff like that, which looks really good in my opinion. Now, after the setup process is finished and everything, the lights have most of their functionality unlocked. You can now set routines, create scenes based on the color schemes of photos, and integrate it with smart hubs for voice command. The best feature of the play bars requires your computer though, and as I said before, that's syncing. Now, you can't really sync it from your mobile device or anything like that, but once you have the app installed on your PC, you can sync it to movies, TVs, music. The only downfall with the music part is that it's kind of limited on, you can't really, for example, if you're listening to music, you can't really like have different colors play. You have to like create a standard color pattern that you'd want. For example, you want red and blue, and then it will just sync with the bass of the music, which is really cool. Now, if you're not much of a PC gamer, these lights could still work because you could try to sync them up with like different occasions. For example, if you're listening to music on Spotify, stuff like that, you can't really sync it with Netflix directly from a TV or a PS4, but you could find yourself still using these play lights to create fixed light around your TV. Even when it's not synced, it will still look good. Alright guys, so that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I personally recommend this 10 out of 10, especially if you're already in the Philips Hue ecosystem. You already have your Hue bridge and everything set up. These are two of the light bars that you would definitely love, especially if you play a lot of PC games. If you don't play a lot of PC games, it could still work. You could still listen to music, sync it up with your music. I just hope that in the near future they'll allow you to stream it to your TVs, so you would get that ambience lighting while watching movies and everything. But if you're watching movies on your PC, it will still work. So yes guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you loved it. If you're new, subscribe. And as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.